3號強風信號現正生效，預料本港平均風速每小時41至62公里。下晝2點，颱風納沙集結喺香港東南大約380公里，即係北緯19.5度、東經116.3度附近。預料向西南偏西移動，時速約15公里，橫過南海北部。按照現時預測路徑，納沙嘅烈風圈會同廣東沿岸保持一定距離，除非納沙採取較為偏北路徑或者顯著增強，否則喺今晚午夜前改發8號烈風或暴風信號嘅機會不大。3號強風信號會喺今日維持，海面會有大浪同湧浪，市民應該遠離岸邊同埋停止所有水上活動。喺過去1小時，大老山、橫瀾島同青洲分別錄得嘅最高持續風速係每小時59、53同43公里，最高陣風分別每小時77、66同59公里。
The strong wind signal, number 3 is in force. This means that winds with mean speeds of 41 to 62 km per hour are expected. At 2 p.m., Typhoon Nesset was estimated to be about 380 kilometers southeast of Hong Kong, which is near 19.5 degrees north, 116.3 degrees east, and is forecast to move west-southwest at about 15 kilometers per hour across the northern part of the South China Sea. According to the present forecast track, the gale winds associated with Nesset will keep a distance from the coast of Guangdong. Unless Nesset takes a more northerly track or intensifies significantly, the chance of issuing the number 8 gale or storm signal before midnight tonight is not high. The strong wind signal, number 3, will remain in force today. Seas will be rough with swells. Members of the public are advised to stay away from the shoreline and not to engage in water sports. In the past hour, the maximum sustained winds recorded at Tate's Cairn, Wadland Island and Green Island were 59, 53 and 43 km per hour, with maximum gusts 77, 66, and 59 km per hour respectively.